So I'm going to be recording this from my phone. I just want to test some things out here. So as you guys can see, got the MORRFlate box here. This is going to be their PSI Pro, or the TenSix PSI Pro. Just got it. Ah, boy. So I can tell right off the bat it's heavy. They give you a MORRFlate sticker. Let's see here. Alright, some styrofoam. Comes in a nice little carrying case. This motherfucker is heavy. So I'm gonna assume this is the top. Okay, that makes sense. It's nice that it has the carrying case. The VIAiR 400p that I have right now, it does a great job. But I wanted something that has a higher CFM that can fill my tires up, I guess, a little bit quicker. So, damn, this thing is a monster. The first thing I will say, just seeing this initially, is this is like very well built. The only thing I don't like particularly is the stainless steel hose. I would have preferred they had like a Teflon coated steel hose. I mean, I can always wrap this in something anyways, but yeah, because that steel is gonna get frayed. It's gonna kind of suck handling this, but I mean, like I said, I'm gonna probably just wrap this in something, so it's not just gonna be the stainless braided line. I will say, initial thoughts on this, it's well made. I mean, this thing is super well made. Craftsmanship's pretty money. It has these little rubber isolators in the feet and stuff. I've seen some people actually unbolt this and permanently mount this in their vehicle. I'm not gonna do so. I noticed on this one too, they also have a little bleed valve, I believe. They didn't have on the last one, so that's nice. Pretty decently long power cable here. Super heavy duty clamps, though, I can tell you that much. These things are not coming off once you clamp on the battery posts. But yeah, I like this more than the permanent solution, because you can take this from vehicle to vehicle. If someone has a flat on the side of the road or whatever. So this has the dual manifolds, and I'm not sure if these can open, I would assume. Yeah. To replace the filters and such, so that's cool. Alright. Yeah, thing's cool. I'll upload a video, obviously, using it. Right now, this is just the unboxing, the initial unboxing. This thing's pretty good. It's pretty well built. I can't wait to actually use this. Because like I said, I have the VIAiR 400p. I've been using that for a while now. And it's good. It just sucks because it's a single like manifold compressor, so it's not gonna have the same CFM as the dual. But what makes it good is you can do one tire at a time if you have to. You can with this, but I believe they advise against it because of the back pressure it would create, I think. So this is made more for if you have like the quad inflate deflate systems that they offer. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be 1 to 2 minutes on the deflation side of things, using their quad setup that I've had now for like 3 years. I've never actually timed it, but I'm gonna say 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 3 tops. I'm gonna go with 3 tops. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, how much time you think it's gonna take to deflate all 4 tires from 35 PSI to about 15 to 18-ish. And then on the opposite side of the spectrum, I'm gonna say it's gonna take maybe 6 to 7 minutes tops to re-inflate all the tires back to my road PSI, which is 35, using the TenSix PSI Pro paired with their quad system, I'm gonna say it's gonna take 5 to 7 minutes. Maybe 6 to 7 minutes. Also, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you guys think it's gonna take for a time for the inflation? Oh, hello. Are you approving of this? Do you approve of this? My dog approves of the MORRFlate product, by the way, so you guys should buy it. She's a quality control sniffer. And then I'm gonna post the video probably in a few days of the real-time testing. I'll have my phone or a watch or whatever with the camera on it as I'm deflating so you guys can see real time. I'll just fast forward a time lapse, obviously, so you're not gonna be sitting there watching this shit happen for minutes or just skipping through the video or whatever. I don't really care, but then I'm also gonna do the same thing. Once again, when I'm inflating it with this and the quad system, I'll set up the timer beside it and just record it real time for you guys to see. So hopefully you guys end up watching the video. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. And like I said, a few more days, I'll post a video. This is just a little short video. I'll let you guys know what's coming up. I also got some pretty cool news in terms of rims. I secured a partnership with Anthem wheels, so I'll be replacing my black Rhino chambers with the Anthems that I'm gonna be getting. So I'll post a video on that too, coming up here shortly. She knows when a shitty product is here and will avoid it. Yeah, won't you? Yes, you will. Yes, you will. You're always looking out for good stuff, aren't you? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And like I said, in the comments, just leave your guesses. What you would like time-wise? What do you think it's gonna take to deflate and inflate this stuff?